Hi everyone. I think we need to go through the accounting cycle just to make sure everybody is on the same page as we start into our next portion of accounting. I apologize for my voice. I have allergies right now, so it kind of sounds like I might be talking in a tunnel or I have a very deep voice at this point in time, I guess. So let's look at the accounting cycle and kind of refresh everybody's mind a little bit. We started all off with a business transaction, several business transactions. We moved to journalize, and that means to write those transactions in journal form. And then we post them to accounts, which is called posting to the ledger. And this is where your accounts live. After a full period, and normally that's a month anymore, we like to look at those accounts and see where the company sits as far as profit and activity is concerned. So we'll pull the balances off the ledgers and create an unadjusted trial balance. Of course, we'll look at that and realize, oh gosh, we haven't taken into account accrued expenses and earnings, such as prepaid expenses or unearned income, or should I say prepaid income, and depreciation. They've not been taken into account, and those do affect the accounts that we find on that unadjusted trial balance. At that point, once we've adjusted it, right in here, we usually create a worksheet. And from the worksheet, we do the adjustments to the accounts and end up with what they call an adjusted trial balance. At that time, you can pull your financials off, and you'll pull off a balance sheet, an income statement, and an owner's equity statement. So once you have all of your accounts and you've looked at it and you're ready to start your next activity period, you're going to close the accounts so that you're starting at square one again. And the accounts that you will close will be your revenues, the expenses, and the drawing account. And you'll use an income summary account for that. There are actually just 4 entries that you make for closings. So I'm going to create or do this in about 7 videos. I don't think anybody could sit in an extended period of time listening to accounting information and really absorb it all. So this is the first video. The second video is going to be about journalizing, and the third video is going to be about posting to the general ledger and creating the unadjusted trial balance. We'll then look at the worksheet, and then we'll look at the adjusting entries and adjusted trial balance. Look at pulling the financials off, and then finally at the entries needed to close the accounts. So welcome, and this is video 1, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you.